Hi, this is Abby Rogers with DrySteam. In this video, I'm going to outline the routine maintenance that DrySteam recommends for the Ultra-sorb MP steam dispersion panel. Be sure to review all guidelines, warnings, and cautions in the IOM before you begin your work on site. Here's a list of tools and supplies you will need: hand tools, Teflon tape pipe sealant, PPE, cell phone, and of course the Ultra-sorb MP IOM for detailed information on how to perform the maintenance tasks. Typically, a standard maintenance visit will take about 3 to 4 hours. Unit size, location, and other factors may affect the amount of time required. First, you will need to cool down the steam generator or boiler and follow shutdown procedures in the IOM. For applications using a boiler for the steam source, perform the following procedures on the strainer, traps, and modulating steam valve. Inspect the strainer at least twice during the first year. If fouled, inspect more frequently. Verify that the steam traps are functioning properly at least twice a year. A block steam trap will be at room temperature. A blowing steam trap is hot and noisy, and the discharge pipe from it is hot for up to 30 feet. Electric valves should be inspected annually to be sure the valve operates freely, closes off steam tightly, and there are no leaks. For the high efficiency tubes, maintenance procedures include: inspect insulating material for dirt and smudges, gently clean with damp cloth and soapy water or diluted non-toxic biodegradable cleaner or degreaser, to remove a dispersion tube from an Ultra-sorb MP steam dispersion panel, loosen the jam nut at the top of the tube. Rotate the tube off the top frame assembly bolt about 4 rotations of the tube. Press downward on the tube. Pull the tube out from the rubber grommet, and if the grommet shows any sign of wear or damage, replace it before reinstalling the dispersion tube. Before you head out to the site, here are some things you should verify. Maintenance location for the unit is clear and accessible. Condensate return or drain is operational. AHU can be activated to test Ultra-sorb operation, and the contact information for your DrySteam sales representative. The best way to determine how often your humidifier needs maintenance is to access the MP dispersion grid and inspect the dispersion tubes for mineral deposits after 3 months of duty. Now you are ready to perform routine maintenance of the Ultra-sorb MP steam dispersion panel. Taking time to plan and perform maintenance on a regular schedule will keep the equipment up and running at peak performance for many years.